just about to leave Cambodia now and go to Vietnam too.
Ho Chi Minh.
Ho Chi Minh, yes. Yeah, I think we're pronounced this way. And we are finally going to Vietnam because that has been like one of those countries where we really wanted to visit. So finally we were going, and we have a 6-7 hours journey in front of us in this bus. It's not too bad actually, it's pretty good.
And we're the only tourists here.
Yeah, we are the only tourists and I feel locals. We just got through immigration in Vietnam, so we are in Vietnam as you can see on the flags. But to be honest, the crossing isn't always that easy because they took our passports before we got to... When we went on the bus, they took our passports. Then we got to the Cambodian immigration office, or pass control, whatever you call it. And they gave us our passports back. When we went off the bus, we had to give it to a police officer who took the passports. Then we didn't get the passports back. We took the bus for like not even 1 minute, like 20 seconds. We had to get off the bus, take all of our stuff, every like bag and everything, and then we, without passwords, without anyone speaking English, we just had to go to the Vietnamese border control. And we just stood there like we didn't know what to do because no one told us. And after a while, I just asked one guy and said, "Yeah, just wait till they call your name." So yeah, very nice, but we managed to do it, so that's good. We just got dropped off by the bus, and now we literally have only 3 minutes walking to our new place. And I have to rush to the toilet because we didn't do so many stops. So yeah, gotta be quick. It's almost 6 in the evening and we haven't got any food yet, so we're waiting right now at this place to get our dinner, and we're literally starving. And we also had like a big trouble with finding a good ATM here in Ho Chi Minh, and at the same time when we couldn't find an ATM, so we couldn't pay for a place. This is the food. We have like baguette with chicken and also with barbecue pork.
It's called banh mi.
Banh mi, yeah.
Banh mi.
So tasty.
Wow.
10 out of 10 now that we're starving so much.
Okay, so the second dinner for today, we ordered some garlic bread, some pho. I think
This is the first time eating pho. Wow.
I think he likes it.
It's really good. The meat is so tender and it's so tasty, really. Right now we're in a shop trying to get a SIM card here in Vietnam. First time in Southeast Asia, we just found some rats. Our favorite animal. Or not. And we also just got a SIM card here in Vietnam for only $6. $6 for a SIM card that will last us for over 1 month. Or yeah, 1 month. And it's 1.5 gigabyte per day. High-speed internet, so it's 45 gigs for $6 1 month at the best SIM card dealer here in Vietnam, from what I've read. And back in Thailand we paid, because we had 2 SIM cards, and they usually scam you with the tourist SIM card that's much more expensive. So we paid together I think $20 for 1 month. We're about to find a place to eat, but on the way we found this place, a market, so we're going to check it out. Here you can find everything from bags, Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Fendi, everything, and also watches. Watches like Rolex, Hublot, AP, everything. Medicine. Look. Watches, bags. Right now we're at the nicer part of Ho Chi Minh City and we just saw a Rolls-Royce Cullinan. So that's not a car you see every day. And it's much more cleaner here and nicer than the place we were staying at in District 1. And here you also have skyscrapers and big hotels like Sheraton. And we are just about to buy a car right now. Or not. Here we have the post office. It's one of the most touristy places as well. So I just played some foot badminton. That's what he called it, the local guy I was playing with. And we also got one as a souvenir. And yeah, obviously he was trying to sell it to me from the beginning, even though he didn't say that. But if it brings food to the table for him and his family, why not? And it was really fun, so it was worth it. We just got some money from the ATM, and the currency here is even more crazy than in Cambodia. Because look, they have 50,000, 100,000 bills, 200,000 bills, and even 500,000 bills. And one 500,000 bill is like, I think 20 something dollars, like $22. So it's not even that much. So yeah, when I said we're only millionaires in Cambodia, I was so wrong. Here we got 2 banh mi for an incredible cheap price because it costed only 10,000 Vietnamese dong. So both of these didn't even cost $1. We just found an insane place. It's like an underground with food and you have markets, everything. Very cool. I'll show you one bad thing here in Ho Chi Minh City in Vietnam. So this is the sidewalk, or it should be, but impossible to walk here because there are a lot of scooters, restaurants on both sides. So we have to walk on the street. And trust me, they drive like crazy here. And hopefully I will show you in the afternoon tonight. This is a really cool place because instead of apartments, they have like cafeterias, restaurants, so it's really cool. And also the place here is really awesome. Right now it's really calm, not so many people. Now we're walking next to the river and it's really beautiful here. But only thing that is a bit concerning is look how high up the water is. That's insane. I will show you now how it looks to cross the road. The time is 14:38, so it's during the day. This is the traffic, and look at this, I will show you. And this was light mode, trust me.
We survived.
So we decided to take a grab home because we didn't want to walk for 30 minutes, and also my stomach isn't in that good condition. So yeah, we grabbed this one for $1.3, I think. So that's insane. You can blame us how much you want, but actually we got a bit tired after failure. And also because of my stomach not feeling so good, we decided to eat McDonald's. Yeah, great choice. But the food is freaking awesome. It's 10 out of 10.
And the service.
Service is awesome. The food is awesome. We already ate one like this, and it was so good. And the prices are also very good because all of this is only, I think, $4, something like that. So that's insane. It's almost 11 in the evening and we're just about to check out from our hotel here in Ho Chi Minh. And we're about to go to Nha Trang, right?
Not Trang.
Nha Trang,
Yes.
With the bus that takes
6 hours.
6 or 7 hours. Very nice. And this is the sleeper bus we are going to take. That's how much space I have for my bag. Literally nothing. It's like 6 in the morning. It was a quick journey. It wasn't too bad, but it was really hard to fall asleep, so we couldn't sleep at all. It's really early in the morning, but we actually got to check in earlier for a small price. And this is our new place in Nha Trang. On the 7th floor. A very nice room, TV, look at the bathroom. I'm not a big fan of this, but sure. And now to the crazy thing. Guess how much this place costs. And the best thing is we literally live right around this corner, so I think it could be this building. And there, over there is the beach, so that's awesome. I'm so happy I managed to fly a bit here over this beautiful city. And the beach, it's something we've missed a lot, the beach. Because when it's so hot, right now it's like 22 degrees Celsius, so it's nice. But during the day it's so hot, it's crazy. Gotta grab some morning training. We just met some people here and we got interviewed and it was really fun. And like we have mentioned, there's a lot of durians here in Vietnam as well. And we can feel the smell like everywhere we go, trust me.